Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 26, mga must-try drinks plus mukbang by Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. Addictea is a premium Taiwanese milk tea and Shu Mai here in Iloilo City. They're located at 1688 Mall, Ledesma Street, Iloilo City. They're open every Mondays to Saturdays starting 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. and they are closed on Sundays. For full list of menus and their branches, I'll be providing description down below, and for delivery details, they charge 80 pesos for delivery within city area. But for 500 worth of orders, they give you free delivery within city area. And this first anniversary vlog episode is sponsored by Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos! So I have here bestsellers and most recommended drinks by Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. So these are all large size mga nos. Yung 5 friends ko nag-request and nag-recommend i-feature ko yung Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. I'd like to mention Miss Day or Dea, Remo, Kat or MM, Joy Joy, and last but not the least, si Queenie. Before mag-start po ako for taste test for milk tea products, I would like to introduce first yung kanilang famous and most recommended bacon and Shu Mai for 150 pesos. So, mix na po siya mga nos. They have bacon and their Shu Mai. And also mga nos, they have this chili sauce and calamansi. Recommended po to ni Miss Dea. So, thank you Miss Dea for this recommendation. Ito yung kanilang half bacon and Shu Mai. Sobrang sarap niya kasi ang laki ng Shu Mai nila. At the same time, good balance of savory. May konting sweetness pero in a good way for its meat. Sobrang tender niya, sobrang sarap kainin at sobrang soft. When it comes sa sauce niya, calamansi and for its chili sauce, perfect na perfect siya. Ito yung unang kick-in talaga is yung chili essence niya and well complement sa Shu Mai. Yung bacon nila, ito first time kong itry, sobrang sarap din. Same consistency when it comes sa tenderness, sa essence, sa bacon, sarap talaga. Kaya pala, bestseller to at most recommended by Miss Dea. Thumbs up talaga yung request mo. So mga nos, hindi ko siya ubusin kasi yung family ko din gusto nyo itry yung kanilang Shu Mai and also for its bacon. So mag-start na po tayo for milk tea taste test. For our first drink under milk tea series, this is their Okinawa Milktea for large size, 89 pesos. This was recommended and requested by Remo, Queenie, and also Joy Joy. For their Okinawa Milktea, nandun talaga yung tea essence na hinanap ko. And for its sweetness, well-proportioned siya at well-balanced for this drink. And for the pearls, sobrang smooth niya, sobrang lambot. For our next drink, under Milk Tea series, is their Matcha Milktea for large size, 89 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Matcha Milktea. Perfect na perfect siya sa akin kasi nandun yung matcha essence or yung down feel na na-expect mo. At the same time, yung thickness niya or yung lapwit feel. For our next drink under Oreo series, their double Oreo Hokkaido for large size, 109 pesos. This was recommended by Kat or MM. Kaya pala sinuggest to sa akin ni MM or Kat yung double Oreo Hokkaido. Ito, naging true sila when it comes sa double Oreo. So, sulit na sulit ka sa Oreo essence or yung Oreo granules. Sobrang dami niya. At yung caramel niya, hindi siya too much sweet. Sakto-sakto lang. Well complement siya sa Hokkaido tea essence. At the same time, yung Oreo. Kaya pala favorite to ni MM kasi sobrang sarap niya. So, Thank you so much, MM. For our next drink under Cheesecake series, is their Wintermelon Cheesecake for large size, 109 pesos. Ito yung unang mag-kick in sa akin for this drink is yung cheesecake essence niya, which is good. Kasi hindi siya yung typical na cheesecake na plain taste. Ito, saktong-sakto talaga. And when it comes sa wintermelon niya, nandun yung wintermelon tea essence niya at hindi siya nag-overpower sa cheesecake. For our next drink under Cheesecake series is their Nutella Cheesecake for large size, 129 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Nutella Cheesecake. Yung nagustuhan ko dito, yung kanyang Nutella and for the cheesecake, perfect match sila. Hindi sila nag-aagaw for its flavor or yung tamis nila. Surprisingly, yung tea essence niya nandun pero faint taste siya. For our next drink under Cheesecake series is their Strawberry Cheesecake Oreo for large size, 119 pesos. And mga knows, ito po yung newest drink nila for Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. Sobrang sarap niya. Ito, very similar siya sa Strawberry Oreo cookies. Yung unang mag-kick-in sa'yo is yung tatlong flavors agad. Yung strawberry, yung cheesecake, at the same time yung Oreo niya. For our next drink, under Milo series, is their classic Cheesecake Milo for large size, 109 pesos. Ito yung kanilang classic Cheesecake Milo. Ito first time ko matry, pwede pala yung Milo for its cheesecake. At the same time, yung kanyang tea essence nandun. Unang mag-kick in sa'yo is yung Milo essence, which is good. Next drink under Freshmilk series is their Taro Freshmilk Cheesecake for large size, 109 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Taro Freshmilk Cheesecake. Masarap siya. Naging consistent sila at naging true again for its flavor, especially for its fresh milk. Very creamy at yung Taro essence niya, perfect na siya sa akin. Nandun yung thickness or yung lapuit feel na hinahanap ko. At yung cheesecake niya, na-enhance niya lalo yung Taro essence for this drink. And by the way mga knows, before I forget, itong drink na to, especially for Taro Fresh Milk Cheesecake, was recommended by Joy Joy. So, thank you so much Joy Joy for this recommendation. For our next drink under Fresh Milk series, their Hersheys Fresh Milk Cheesecake for large size, 109 pesos. Yung unang mag-kick in sa'yo is yung Hersheys essence niya. Tama-tama yung flavor niya for its Hersheys. At the same time, yung kanyang cheesecake, sobrang sarap niya din kasi well-balanced siya when it comes sa Hersheys at cheesecake. For our next drink under Fruit series is their Green Apple for large size, 79 pesos. Perfect drink siya if you're looking for something refreshing, time healthy drink. Hindi siya matamis, which is good. At the same time, yung kanyang fruit jelly dito sa baba, sobrang sarap niya, very easy to eat. For our next drink under Fruit series is their Peach Mango for large size, 79 pesos. Ito yung kanilang peach mango. Same with green apple. Perfect na perfect siya if you're looking for a drink na something refreshing at something healthy. Hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness. Ito, tama-tama lang yung sugar level niya, which is good. At wala siyang aftertaste for this drink. For our next drink, under Yakult series, is their Lychee Yakult for large size, 99 pesos. For this drink, this was recommended by Miss Day Bacos. So, shout out to you Miss Day Bacos. Thank you for your recommendation and for your request. Malasahan ko talaga yung lychee at the same time yung Yakult essence niya. Perfectly balanced sila at hindi nag-overpower sa Yakult or sa lychee. But it well complements for this drink. And for our last but not the least drink, under Coffee series, their Caramel Macchiato Oreo Cheesecake for large size, 139 pesos. This was recommended by Remo Bactong. Shout to you Remo Bactong. Thank you for your recommendation and for your suggest for this product. Ito yung drink na to. Sobrang daming niyang ingredients. At the same time, well-balanced siya at nag-complement. It has coffee jelly, caramel, Oreo granules, coffee essence, at the same time yung cheesecake niya. Good job, Remo, for this recommendation. Okay, for rating mga nose, for half bacon and Shu Mai, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Okinawa Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Matcha Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For double Oreo Hokkaido, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Wintermelon Cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Nutella Cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Strawberry Cheesecake Oreo, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Classic Cheesecake Milo, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Taro Freshmilk Cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Hersheys Freshmilk Cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. For green apple, I'll give this a perfect 10. For peach mango, I'll give this a perfect 10. For lychee Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for caramel macchiato Oreo cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. Before anything else, I would like to thank sa mga kanos nag-recommend for this brand, especially for their favorite flavors. And this is my third time na-taste test ko yung products for Addictea. Yung first po, parang initial taste test lang. At yung second taste test ko is after ginagyang doon sa main branch nila, 1688 Mall. And finally, na-feature ko na siya for my vlog episode. At yung kanilang half bacon Shu Mai, ito, most suggested talaga to. Sobrang sulit talaga mga nose kasi masarap na yung Shu Mai mo, malaki pa. Each category, nag-stood out talaga sila. But ito, si Strawberry Cheesecake Oreo nila, na-surprise ako kasi hindi ko na-expect na masarap pala yung strawberry flavor, especially meron siyang Oreo and cheesecake. Yung masuggest ko for kids is si Strawberry Cheesecake Oreo, si Nutella Cheesecake, Hersheys Freshmilk Cheesecake. If you're looking for something refreshing at the same time healthy, especially for green apple, peach mango, and for lychee Yakult. Mga coffee lovers naman, mahilig sa sweet or something unique at very original, suggest si caramel macchiato Oreo cheesecake. Sa mga kanos natin na mahilig sa on the go, I would suggest si Okinawa, si Matcha, si double Oreo Hokkaido. Sa mahilig sa cheesecake essence, I would suggest si Wintermelon Cheesecake and si Taro Cheesecake. Once again, thank you so much Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai for this wonderful and amazing products, for your patience, for your full trust for drinking those. Lahat po na managers, owners, and baristas, and also sa rider, lahat po ng time, effort, at sa pag-prepare for my drinks for this episode. Happy anniversary po for Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. I wish you all the best for Addictea family, more successful drinks and products to come in Iloilo City. Addictea maintains our good service, good quality of product, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget friendly, and a drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much Addictea Milktea and Shu Mai. Congratulations! Thank you for watching mga nose. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jester saying, keep safe and bye!